Yet another breakthrough in the flavor forecast. FBD's multi-flavor 772 delivers up to 32 drink combinations, changing everything we've imagined frozen beverages to be. With 2 base flavor options and 8 different additional flavor shots to choose from. For products such as frozen lemonade or coffee to your favorite margarita or daiquiri. More flavors, less counter space occupied. Perfect for C-stores, quick-serve restaurants, fast casual, and more. A unique and memorable experience for all. Mix a drink with only a few taps on the screen. Flexible with a built-in Premier touchscreen, customizable to any brand or program. FBD technology refines taste with inline carbonation, optimizing quality, yield, and consistent overrun. OptiFreeze maintains product consistency. That way every drink is thirst-quenchingly delightful. Rapid Freeze enhances the refreeze time with continuous draw capacity of 4,500 ounces per hour and just a 4-minute recovery time, resulting in up to 281 16-ounce cups an hour. Reliability with fewer moving parts. Durability backed with an average 7+ years lifespan. Lowest cost of ownership. Lower acquisition and maintenance costs, consisting of 50% carbon dioxide and 40% water, making double the profit margins of a canned beverage, 20% more than fountain drinks, and a program bringing in up to 70% gross profits. Offer your customers a great drink variety with virtually unlimited options. You can satisfy every customer's frozen beverage desire. FBD Frozen.